Hello guys, namaste, assalamu alaikum, came cho, wanakam, namaskaram, shashriyakal. Doing so you are watching Ray Sharma and this is my channel Ray Reaction. So today I'm gonna react to a very famous song Batabama featuring Allu Arjun and Pooja Hegde, sung by Arman Malik. And I'm quite excited because I think I have watched this video almost like more than 100 times I guess, because I'm a big fan of Allu Arjun and the song is beautiful. मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद आया ये गाना. So I thought if I'm watching it so many times, so why don't do a review and reaction of it. I know it's silly but I want to do it because I'm literally watching a lot of reaction on this song. So I thought कि यार मैं भी कर ही लेता हूँ. So I recently met Arman Malik few months back. And I didn't knew that he's gonna sing this beautiful song. If I knew, then I might have told him that this is your best. So first of all, let's go watch it again, and you can watch it again with me. And I hope आपको अच्छा लगने वाला है. So yeah, let's go and watch it. Smoothness of his step, yeah. గజబ్.
మంచి పోలికేది నాకు తట్టలేదు గాని అమ్మో ఈ లవ్ అనేది బబ్లు గమ్ము అంటుకున్నదంటే పోదు నమ్ము ముందు నుంచి అందరన్న మాటే గాని మళ్ళీ అంటున్నానే అమ్మో ఇది చెప్పకుండా వచ్చే తుమ్ము ప్రేమ నా పలేవు నన్ను నమ్ము ఎదురు చూపుకి
These moves I just love.
బదులు చెబితి
वैसे मैं ट्राई करूंगा. Smoothness देखो यार, it's not easy to do this with so much smoothness. My favorite step.
నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అడ్డబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే బుట్టబొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే
You can't stop yourself dancing. Oh, smooth man.
మల్టీప్లెక్స్ లోని ఆడియన్స్ లాగా మౌనం కొన్నా గానీ అమ్ము లోన దండనగా జరిగిందే నమ్ము దిమ్మ తిరిగి నాదే మైండ్ సిమ్ము
मैंने बहुत डांस किया है इस गाने पे रिसेंटली. That's why I'm doing a reaction. Oh, अल्लू अर्जुन हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ नए के साथ आता है. That's for sure. He always invent few steps which are like never done. Amazing, yeah. Style, man. Beautiful set, man. The flowers and the color, beautifully done. Director ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है.
చెంపల్లో చిటికేసి చక్రవర్తిని చేసావే చిన్నగా చినుకు తుంపరడిగితే కుండపోతగా
Beautiful set.
తుఫాను తెస్తే
The colors that are used are amazing.
మల్లె పువ్వు నడిగితే ముటగా పుల తోటగా
Just look at that, man. Direction जिसने भी किया ना, एक नंबर.
నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అడ్డబొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే వేలి నిండా నన్ను తీసి పట్టు పెట్టుకుంటివే గాలి కింది పువ్వు నేను
Even बैक में जो डांसर है ना, वो भी बहुत सिंक्रोनाइज वे में डांस कर रहे हैं.
ఎంతకన్నా మంచి పోలికేది నాకు తట్టలేదు గాని అమ్మో ఈ లవ్ అనేది బబ్లు గమ్ము అంటుకున్నదంటే పోదు నమ్ము ముందు నుంచి అందరన్న మాటే గాని మళ్ళీ అంటున్నానే అమ్మో ఇది చెప్పకుండా వచ్చే తుమ్ము ప్రేమ నా బలేవు నన్ను నమ్ము
So guys, ये था बटाबमा फ्रॉम अला वाइकंतमपुरलो. आई थिंक ऐसे कुछ बोलते हैं, मैंने ट्रेलर देखा हुआ है. सो आई विल ट्राई टू प्रोनाउंस इट वंस अगेन. अला वाइकंतमपुरमुलो अला वाइकंतमपुरमुलो. ट्रेलर वाली एक्सेंट में बोल दिया मैंने. आई ट्राइड बट इट्स अ प्रीटी लॉन्ग टाइटल एक्चुअली, अगर मैं मूवी के हिसाब से देखूँ, एंड स्टिल इट्स टू लॉन्ग. एक्चुअली मैंने इसकी स्टोरी थोड़ी सी पढ़ी थी. So I think Vaikunthapurmulo is the name of place, I guess. I don't know. If you know, please let me know in the comment section. What does it means? Ala Vaikunthapurmulo. What does it mean? The story is beautiful, and I just read the story on Wikipedia, and I'm quite interested to watch this movie. But I think right now it's only available in Telugu only. I think not even in Tamil, Malayalam, or Hindi. I'm waiting it to be dubbed in Hindi. But I'll try to watch it in Telugu if I could get it on Netflix or somewhere else, because I think it's not even available on Netflix or Disney Hotstar or somewhere else. If it is available, then guys, please let me know where it is available, and if you can, provide me the meaning of the song, that would be beautiful. I tried to translate it from Google, but it doesn't give me the correct translation, I believe. So if you know the right translation, then you can let me know in the comment section. And I love Allu Arjun. I'm a big fan of Allu Arjun. He's one of my favorite actors from South industry. One of my favorite Allu Arjun movie is Arya and Arya 2. I have watched them like around more than 20 times, both of them, and they are amazing movies. Even I can watch it again and again and again. And talking about this song, Arman Malik ने बहुत अच्छे से गाया है, and I think it is one of my favorite from Arman Malik right now. And the dance moves are always great and amazing from Allu Arjun, because जब भी ये बंदा डांस करने आता है, then he kills it, he nails it. Like he's like Hrithik Roshan of South industry, I would say. And mostly I'm watching his song because of his dance and style. That's why he's known as stylish Allu Arjun. सो इवन द मूव, जब वहाँ पे वो सीढ़ियों से कुछ स्टेज से वो नीचे को आ रहा होता है, वो बहुत अमेजिंग मूव है. हुक स्टेप तो बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. उसके अलावा और भी स्टेप था ना, जो रिक्शे के साथ आई गेस आता है, वो उसको सरकाते हुए, वो बहुत टफ है. रियल लाइफ में आई डोंट नो उन्होंने किस तरीके से एग्जीक्यूट किया है, बट डायरेक्टर को हैंड्स डाउन जो भी उसने किया बहुत अच्छे से किया है. डायरेक्टर ने बहुत अमेजिंग काम किया. सेट बहुत ब्यूटीफुल थे, वाइब्रेंट कलर थे, ब्यूटीफुल कलर थे, और काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल लगा गाना. एंड आई होप आपको भी यही सारी चीज़ें पसंद आई होंगी. राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट इन टच विद साउथ इंडस्ट्री मूवीज़. वेरी फ्यू मूवीज़ आई एम वॉचिंग फ्रॉम साउथ इंडिया, बिकॉज आई थिंक द साउथ इंडस्ट्री डजंट मार्केट देयर मूवीज़ इन नॉर्थ pretty well, because I don't know what's the reason, but only few movies get to be seen in north part, like KGF or Bahubali type of movie. But I want to see more of southern industry and northern cinemas, because I think they are great content creators. All the directors work really hard, and the actors are really amazing. So I'm quite interested to watch Alawai Kanthampuramulo. And let me know in the comment section if you have watched the movie. How's the movie? I have watched almost every song from this movie, from Samajara Vairya, something like that. And there is Oh My God Daddy, which is amazing, and few more. So I have watched almost all songs from this pretty movie. If you want that I should react to any other song from this movie, then let me know in the comment section. If you like the reaction, don't forget to like the video, and do subscribe to watch more stuff from our channel. And you can recommend what should I watch next in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram, RaySharma007. I hope you liked the reaction.